He's trying to pass him. Oh, wow. This is cool. Norm, whoa! Stay in between the green, man. In between the green.
Fucking hell.
Wow. She said fucking hell.
This is what we call a thunderstorm. Almost continuous thunder and lightning.
That's fucking... What the fuck? What the fuck?
And people in the car who aren't dealing with it.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Hey, Wiki. Hey, bro. What's your name? What's your name, bro?
Oh, that's right over top. That's nice.
Yeah.
That is nice.
You see that got hit by that one? Constant. This is amazing.
Hey, a little to the right, little to the right.
Oh, my broken it stopped down here. Look. Yeah.
People got their emergency lights on. Right over there.
Kaboom.
Bloody hell.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Like this.
Yes, pretty cool when you're driving down the road and you can see nothing and then BAM! Lightning strike, lights the whole road up.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Ram him for having his fucking flashers on. Ram him. Ah! What the fuck?
In case you're wondering, those who are listening.
What the You want to turn left here. You want to turn left here. There is no light. This stupid son of a bitch.
What did he do just then? I didn't see
He was getting ready to turn in front of it. He's one of them fucking stupid bastards thinks they can turn their turn signal on and that entitles them to turn in front of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seen a few of those. We get them down.
Yeah. Oh, we
New
may
Zealand as
not
well.
have any power in our house. At least our beer's on ice.
Yeah. That's the main thing. Beer is on ice.
What the fuck? No, this is gonna be a nasty fucking road here. Yeah, it goes to the right and downhill, and then it goes to the left. Kind of look at what the signs do.
It's really a...
Well, that's it. Yeah, there's a school bus stop ahead. Watch out for the school bus. What the fuck? What the fuck?
It's not really funny.
Yes, it is.
What the fuck?
Sitting my real beer.
And it's this asshole here is
I
making
got
all the
a
noise.
shit too, damn it! No! We've only got one pot! What the fuck?
Oh, it seems to wish it's over, so
Crazy.
Oh,
recording is done.